All right, y'all. This is a video of my Radial 4 after it ended up hitting the ground of my last video, where I had the propeller on it, and bro, it hurts, bro, cause just look, bro. My valve bent a little bit. I think what happened was when it hit the ground, maybe the valve was sticking up like that, and it fell like maybe on the valve. Then the valve, I think it pushed the rod, cause when I picked it up, the top piece was still on there, and then like it was like bent though, and it was cracked, and it was at an angle, and I'm like, no. Cause I picked it up and I tried to run it again, but it wasn't spinning. So I looked and I was like, no. Whole time it was broke. I'm like, no. So then I'm like, bro, what am I gonna do next? So then I separated this from this, cause that's the only thing that was holding it on. The head was already coming off, so I'm like, I might just take the head off. So come to find out, that broke, and my sliding valve, I might have to make a new sliding valve, because I think it's cracked. Yeah, I basically got to replace that too. I don't even know. That was a big fall. I won't even lie. It had to be a big fall for that to break. But it's kind of cool that you can still see the inside of everything. Like, for the people who want to see the inside of the engine, little piston. Everything else still smooth though, but it just hurts, bro, cause what in the, but it's cool, cause it can always be revived. But the hardest part is gonna be like trying to figure out what am I gonna do with this part, cause it ain't like I can just make a new one and then take all this off. I can take this whole thing off, but that's a lot, y'all. Like, I'm gonna have to disconnect this one, this, and I gotta take this whole part off just to get into that. Then I'm gonna have to, that's a lot, y'all. Like, but I know how I can fix that. That's easy, I'm really not mad. It's kind of cool though. But at the same time, it is heartbreaking to see your hard work go out the window. This was one of my best ones right here, and it just broke. But it still looked like some type of, it still looks cool though. Still kind of cool. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all, cause y'all see that video and everything. It hit the ground. Y'all don't even know what I'm going through behind the scenes. But this will get fixed, and I will update y'all on it. Or should I take this piston out? Like, let me ask y'all something. Should I cut this piston rod, take that out, cut this rod off, and take that out, and then take this off too? And then should I have like a weird 3-cylinder? Like, if you just looked at it like that, like, should I have a weird 3-cylinder engine like this? I don't know. Like, what would you even call this? But nah, I might just like revive the Radial 4. But that would be cool if I made, like, I just wonder how it would sound. Like, it'll sound nasty. Like, but I just wanted to show y'all this, and y'all let me know what's y'all thoughts and everything.